Hi, hello, welcome to Curries and Crafts. Today we are going to make a very easy recipe. It is carrot payasam. It just requires two main ingredients. One is carrot and the other one is milk. Come, let's get started. In a pan, add in 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of water and let it boil. Once it bubbles up, switch off the flame and cool it down completely. Meanwhile, take 4 to 5 carrots, peel its skin, chop it roughly. We are going to pressure cook the carrots for 3 to 4 whistles or until it is done. So now the carrots are cooked. Take a mixer jar, add the carrots that we have. Also add in 8 to 10 cashew nuts, 1 cardamom and required amount of sugar. Here I am adding in 4 tablespoons of sugar. Also add a little amount of the boiled milk that we have. Blend it to a fine puree. Now just add the puree to the milk that we have. Mix it gently. Once everything is mixed completely, you will get a nice rich creamy texture. Refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes and our carrot payasam is ready now. Garnish it with nuts and serve it too. So wasn't that a really delicious one? So it is not just delicious but also a very healthy dessert for kids. If you like this video, please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe Curries and Crafts. Thanks for watching.